Okay, so the next challenger is a company that was involved last year in our FinTech event, Nugo Tech. And you'll hear from Patrick, who is their CEO. Their CTO is Gerald, his brother. So a brother outfit in terms of using our technology. And I'll turn it over to the folks in the back and we'll get started with their video.
Hello everyone, we are Nugo Tech, a software development company specializing in unique and customized software solutions. My name is Patrick St. Hilaire, co-founder and CEO, along with Gerald St. Hilaire, co-founder and CTO. I am excited to discuss our Data Hub technology and how we are leveraging Sertainty's UXP protocol. Over the last decade, across multiple industries, we've seen significant increases in the amount of data that is being generated. Now more than ever, it's clear that we live in a digital world. Data is gold. So many industries depend on the security of data and all the personal and intellectual property that flow within it. In order to protect it, we need secure and simplified solutions that actually work. The healthcare industry is no stranger to data breaches, costing millions, if not billions of dollars. In fact, last year in 2019, more healthcare records were breached than in the 6 years from 2009 to 2014. The total number of exposed records shot up from 13.8 million in 2018 to 41 million in 2019. We're talking about 12% of the US population. That's pretty insane. And with the rise of telemedicine, we can only imagine the potential risks and impacts to an already strained infrastructure. Saying that the healthcare industry faces major challenges in data security is an understatement. Good news is we believe we have a solution that can help significantly mitigate this risk, and that's Nugo Tech's Data Hub technology. Our Data Hub technology primarily functions in two ways. First, our software allows you to set the permissions on which hardware can share and receive your data. If someone tries to access your computer or server from an unauthorized device, it's blocked and you're notified. We're talking about USBs, external hard drives, outside servers, you name it. If you didn't set the permissions to that device, access will be denied. This significantly eliminates the human factor as it relates to data breaches. This feature helps you maintain full control over the devices that can access and share your data. Secondly, we encrypt the shared data between the permissioned hardware utilizing the Sertainty protocol. If an intrusion gets past our permissions code, the stolen data will be virtually unreadable or destroyed upon removal. Our technology provides total protection from hardware to the data, thus creating a secure data hub. Now, let's delve a little deeper on how our technology works with Sertainty's UXP protocol. Our Data Hub technology launches a master script that establishes inter-permissive links between access, source, and destination computers. These links serve as the access ports for data to be viewed and transmitted via all mediums, from emails to USB, making security virtually dummy-proof. There will be no need to encrypt a USB ever again. Your data will be forever protected. If someone makes a mistake attaching the wrong file or sending an email to the wrong recipients, no problem. Recipients will automatically get an object file which requires the auto and unprotect protocol to take place in the destination computer. If that protocol doesn't run in a specific amount of time, the file will delete itself. Additionally, this process can be infinitely duplicated, creating clusters of secure hubs across the network. A simple and secure solution that actually works. That is Nugo Tech's Data Hub technology. Thank you.
Very good. Thanks, Patrick. So, any questions in the room? Anyone?
Is there a cost profile?
You know, that's a good question, Robin. So the question was, do they have a cost profile? We met with them yesterday and talked with both Patrick and Gerald. Really didn't dive into the cost as much. I think they're still working on that model. Same with revenue. They say they've got some models around the revenue and what they think that'll look like, but not anything that was shared with us in terms of yesterday when we met with them.
It'd just be good to know how they compare against somebody like an AWS or this.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a great point, because we talked through their whole SaaS model with the data hub and how would they work with and lay on top of S3 and AWS, or how would they work with Azure. And I think that's the piece they're still trying to work out on the cost model. But obviously, I don't want to answer for them, so is Patrick on Abby, and is he on the?
I don't believe so.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think they were in transit or driving
Okay.
or something.
Oh, are they the, can y'all hear us on the phone? Are they the phone people? Unmute?
Yeah,
Oh, you're the phone people. They're here.
Okay.
Okay. So phone people.
hey there,
It was a little different name.
So Robin's question for the phone people was, do you have a cost model? And hopefully the phone person is Patrick. I don't know if it's Gerald with you or not, but do you want to add anything to that? I've tried to give an answer and danced around it as best I could.
Yes. So, hello, can you all hear me? This is Gerald. All right. So, I heard the one question I heard was, how does this integrate really with AWS or on top of those? How does our SaaS model basically integrate with those? Did I hear that correctly? Cost model. Okay, got it. Okay, so our cost model, it's really going to be reflective on what arrangement we actually end up having with Sertainty. So it depends on, if we want to be the face of this thing, and the main thing with what we're offering is we're making Sertainty very easy to use and seamless. Okay. We're basically providing the transmission system to Sertainty's engine. So we can market it like that ourselves, or and then go in a licensing agreement with Sertainty, or we can do the reverse, right, where we let Sertainty, go ahead and do that, and then we can license that patch out to them. So the model is going to be circled around that, and really it's all about at that point just being able to get to the user.
Answer its own certainty to answer the cost model is what I mean.
Yeah, we're very certain about that.
Favorites, because we went and had Caribbean lunch with them and we were
Yes.
teaching them yesterday, and woo, he ate a whole snapper. Okay, Chris, one of the judges, has a question. Does the technology work with IoT hardware devices?
Do we work with IoT?
The question is, does the technology work with the IoT hardware devices?
I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time hearing. This sucks. Pat, if you're on, go ahead and answer that question if you can hear it, so that way we don't take up too much time. Okay, I guess.
Via text or chat, your answer, we'll get that to the judge.
Okay.